All of them are STEMists. They're engaging in science, technology, engineering, and mathematics. They both have fun and learn with the wonderful set STEMists Box. A student using STEMists Box gains basic engineering, electronic, and mathematical skills, understands how the tools around him work, starts to produce on his own, has a production culture, improves problem-solving abilities, experience and creates new designs, focuses on designing products and creating his own project prototypes, reinforces the feeling of "I can do it too," begins to think interdisciplinary. STEMist Box has international education standards and is a laboratory where STEM maker combines, which raises productive, improves perspective, innovative, develop product individuals. We are raising producing individuals, not consumers. STEMist Box. Science and fun in a box.